Well, we are definitely feeling that heat here in North Alabama.
Let's check in with meteorologist Carson Meredith now. Carson, these numbers, as we were talking, aren't quite record-breaking, but there's stuff that we are used to seeing later in the summer months.
Yeah, it's not unheard of to be talking about these kind of temperatures in June, but it's definitely not all that common either. We're usually talking about this in late July or August instead, but nonetheless, this heat is going to be staying with us for at least the next 7 days, maybe longer than that. A reminder that heat advisory now covers our entire Wave 31 coverage area. It went into effect at 11 o'clock this morning and it is with us until 7 o'clock tonight. And another thing I'll mention, the same exact heat advisory is in effect tomorrow as well, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. for those heat index values, or what it feels like with that humidity getting over 105 degrees. We are dry on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network here at home. So watching these thunderstorms across much of Georgia right now. Got one severe thunderstorm warning northeast of Atlanta. I'll be watching northern Georgia very closely this afternoon. Some of those storms are right along a boundary that could sneak its way into Jackson, Marshall, and DeKalb counties throughout the afternoon. Otherwise, we are going to stay dry and very hot. So if you are heading out for lunch this afternoon, heading out for dinner, you may want to be outside, but personally, I would not recommend it. We'll keep those temperatures around 93 degrees, feeling more like the triple digits as you're heading out for your lunch break. And even by dinner time tonight, still very hot with that small chance for an isolated storm, mainly in northeast Alabama, by 90 degrees at 6 or 7 o'clock tonight. I would recommend being by the pool today if you can. 96 is that forecast high, but when you factor in that humidity, it's going to feel more like 106 or 107 during that peak heat of the day at 2 or 3 o'clock today. Unfortunately, as you see on our humidity tracker, that air you can wear, it's just not going anywhere. Those darker greens that you see, that's that much more humid air that forces that dangerous heat to become a factor. That's why we have the heat advisory today, another one tomorrow. By the end of the work week, we could get a small reprieve in that dangerous heat, but it's still going to be pretty hot for quite some time. Here we go with future radar. 3 o'clock this afternoon. This particular model keeps things quiet, but I am going to watch northeast Alabama for some of those isolated storms developing this afternoon. Otherwise, we stay dry. A quiet start to your Wednesday morning, but that thunderstorm coverage tomorrow afternoon is a bit more widespread. You see some of those thunderstorms developing along I-65, perhaps by 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And any of the storms that we do see on Wednesday could be strong to marginally severe. We're talking the classic summertime threats, gusty winds around 50 to 60 miles per hour, and some very heavy rainfall too. We're also keeping a close eye on the tropics. We got another area of interest down in Central America towards Panama. Not an official storm yet. National Hurricane Center, though, giving it a 40% chance of development. Long-term data suggests this system could be trouble for the Gulf Coast by the end of June. Way too early for specifics, but we'll keep a close eye on that system, as well as the heat here at home. 20 to 30% chance for a few pop-up storms through Friday. Then we dry things out this weekend with those temperatures still in the low 90s.
All right, thank you.